The idea is to kind of allow you guys to interact, but be able to do it with giving us the ability to record the highest quality content, meaning it's a conversation between the panelists. We did have somebody that was going to join us remotely through Google Hangout or Skype, and unfortunately we couldn't get that going, so we'll try again for next time. So the goal here is to basically kind of have you guys vote. If you guys could just try to test one. So on your mobile device, go to Ask Panel Anything, and if we could keep the what is your definition of software-defined networking on the top, but maybe why don't you guys take a look at the rest of the questions, the other 9, and kind of vote on one and give it a chance for it to test the code, make sure it's working. Bizzabo is the tool that we're using right now to allow the online community to actually have conversation with you guys too. One of the things that I don't like to do is to ask people to be quiet during these events, and so if I have to do that to you, I'm very sorry. But at the same time, again, for us, what we're really trying to get out of this is the highest quality content, so we can chop it up into 10 YouTube segments or whatever application we're going to use. And that's what we're actually giving to the local schools, and they're integrating into their continuing education program. So all of our content is under a Creative Commons license, so if you guys want a copy of the content, just email me. I'll give it to you in both raw format and post-production, so you can do it with it what you want, and sponsors, same thing. What Bizzabo is doing, if you haven't signed up yet, we have a huge turnout on there. Maybe 40 people in the room. I think we got like 120 or something, just a huge amount of interest in SDN. And we're going to do that for the rest of the conversations that we're doing this year. We did software-defined storage. We actually have one that's coming up on OpenStack. We're doing at Chef's offices in Pioneer Square. It's limited to 25 seats, so if you guys are interested in being a part of that, just come grab me and give me your contact info, and I'll make sure to give you an invite. And then on April 25th, we're going to have another one at Bellevue College where one of the things that's hard for us is to set up all the equipment, break it down, and all that. So we'll be doing these in an actual television studio too at Bellevue College, and that one will be on cloud. It's called Hostophobia, Fear of Migration to the Cloud. So just stay tuned for that type of stuff. Come grab me if you want to be a part of it. We are definitely in need of sponsors to make this work right now, but hopefully we can start, figuring out some ways to monetize with apps and stuff. So check out Bizzabo. You can see it's a really cool tool. You guys can actually talk to the people that are watching the live stream. Chad, is the live stream up right now, or? We're actually live, yeah. So what's the link for the live stream? Okay, so if anybody's on Twitter, can you tweet that? What was it again? Ustream/NWTA. Yeah, so if you guys could tweet that to everybody and your mama. Hopefully your mama tweets it too. And check out Bizzabo, though. The purpose for you guys is to have the conversation with the panelists through the moderator for the first 45 minutes. Obviously, kind of rude not to let you guys talk at all. So the last 15 minutes will be all about you guys, where we'll pass the mic around and you can ask an individual panelist or just ask generic questions is fine. So, but please do use Bizzabo, sign up. It gives us a lot of data about what's going through your guys' brains, which I want to know. And I'm sure the sponsors would like to know that too. And so if you could do that, that'd be awesome. And I think that's it. So, learning management system. So we will eventually be building out an LMS to, take this content. The idea is to put each question into one chapter, and then what we'll do is we'll do a whole series around SDN and have different thought leaders expand the conversation. So I just got a commit, hopefully, from Microsoft to use one of their link rooms, which is pretty sweet if you haven't seen it, where as soon as you start talking, the camera will kind of face you, and then all of a sudden your face is up on the big screen. So that'll probably be an intimate one too, where unfortunately you guys probably will only be able to join online, but hopefully you guys do that. That's it. So appreciate you guys' time.